Yo, what's good guys? Producer Mykah here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a guitar-inspired Afro beat, and I'm gonna be drawing inspiration from Kiss Daniel's latest song, which he just dropped, titled Showa. So without wasting time, guys, let's get right into our DAW and start working on this beat. So I've already used Audimi to convert the vocals. So quickly, I'm just gonna drag in the vocals, and I get a lot of you guys asking me what I'm using to convert the vocals, and I've spoke about this a lot. It's called Audimi. I'll leave a link in the description of this video in case you want to try it out. You could actually just go there. They have tons of singers. So quickly, I'm just gonna drag in the vocals, and I've converted it and hear what the vocal sounds like. All right, so we have like a very dried vocal, and let's just listen to this. So I'm just gonna, what I'm gonna do quickly is just bring the gain down -5 dB and send it over to my mixer, and I'm just gonna use my EQ to take out some of the lows. This is just the normal stuff we do. Take out some of the lows and just use my pop plate and just add some reverb to it. Yeah, so the next thing I'm just gonna do is just gonna drag it to the tempo. The tempo of the song, the beat of the song is 96 BPM. I have the vocals now, so starting the song, we have this, pluck sound in the beginning. So that's just what I'm gonna quickly create. I'm gonna be using Nexus. It's actually been a while I used Nexus. I remember when I started production, like Nexus was like my go-to. So I'm just gonna go to the preset there and just pick this pluck sound, and yeah, this is what it sounds like. This is what the pluck sound sounds like. And I'm just gonna transpose so that I could play on the key of C. So I'm just gonna create the pluck sound, and let's call this pluck. I'm just gonna call this pluck, and let's just put it down here, and let's just create that pluck sound, because that's basically what played all through the song. And simple beats. So it's just gonna start it off here. So I'm just gonna go to and just arrange my notes. So we have something like this. Yeah, so something like this, I think, and just copy the same thing. Just let's move it over. So I have, then we'll go to the fa. Yeah, so this, move over here, then we go over to the 2. So I'm just gonna copy this and just go over to the 2. So what we're actually doing, we're just keeping the the top notes the same, but changing the progression. So I'm gonna go to the 2. This is still gonna be the same notes. Then I go over to the 3. So we're having a 6-4 2-3 progression. So in case you're the number type, and for this I just bring the note down to. Yeah, so that's just what was played all through. So I'm just gonna send it to my mixer and quickly give it this preset, just to the preset. Yeah, we have something like this. So I'm just gonna turn off the feedback a little bit. And if you're on the Patreon already, you already have this, this preset. So I'm just gonna use my EQ to take out some of the highs, because it was mostly just the mid-range. Yeah, so I think that's what it sounds like. So let me just, and that played all through. Yeah. Then I can start bringing in, there's this rim that played all through too. So I'm just gonna go drag my rim shots. So for the rim, we just have this normal old school Afro bounce. So just, and in case you want it on the channel rack, I'm just gonna show you guys what it is on the channel rack. So I can turn off my metronome. Yeah, so that's, then I'm just gonna I'm just gonna put this here, make it unique, and just play around with these. Take out this and take out this, then replace it with this and this. So we have some variations. Yeah, so then this plays all through. Yeah, so just to give it some variation. Then next we have the normal 1-1-10 shaker.
à la coco. Je me fais ni, je me rappe. Tu pas de wa, je me paco. Je me mani problem, pelu boys. Papa Jack.
Then the next thing that came in, you know, is the bass. There's this bass, and I think the bass was from sub-boom bass category, and the sub-boom bass, a journey to bass and more. And you know, just make sure I'm on the key. So this is what the bass sound like. Then go to our 4.
Je me fais à la cori, à la coco, à la cori, à la coco. Je me fais ni.
Then go to our 3.
À la cori, à la coco. Je me fais ni, je me rappe.
Yeah, so simple bass. Next thing, they will have this like hits and go over to exhale. I love the way that sounds, and this is what it sounds like. Just have
à la cori, à la cori, à la coco, à la cori, à la coco. Je me fais ni, je me rappe.
So let me just make sure that I'm on key. Then go over to the strings. Let's go over to the strings. Big P string. Yeah. So I'm just basically gonna copy the same thing and just paste it.
Je me fais ni, je me rappe. Tu pas de wa, je me paco. J'ai mon mani problem, pelu boys. Papa Jack.
So I'm gonna send this to my mixer
Je me
and just, you know, pan it left and right just to spread it out. And just take out some of the highs.
je me fais ni, je me rappe. Tu pas de wa, je me fais ni, je me rappe. Tu pas de wa, je me paco. J'ai mon mani problem, pelu boys.
Yeah, so next thing, I think we have this part. I don't know whether the part is actually there. I don't know whether the part is there, but I'm just gonna add the part. So for the part, I'm gonna go
je me
back
fais ni, je me rappe. Tu pas de wa, je me paco. J'ai mon mani problem, pelu boys. À la cori, à la
let me take it down.
à la cori, à la
Turn it down, turn the volume down. Yeah, so have this now. Next section, the only difference is that, you know, for this section we have some yeah, so for this section we just have some more strings. So I'm just gonna go to expand. I love using expand for my strings, so I'm just gonna go over to the strings and go over to these big soft strings. So I'm just gonna play something close to what I think was played. So let's see.
Many problem.
Yeah, so something like this. Yeah, it sounds dry, but don't worry. Let me just send it over to, you know, to the mixer and load in this preset. Yeah, so okay, so let's listen from the top. Gee.
À la cori, à la coco. Je me fais ni, je show my lap, chimpat be wa, show my back, she mo money problem, pelu boys, papa jaka pada, asa no Canada. If I travel today, give my buy la baba. I'm a man, I'm a brother man. Oh, then you let baby.
This guitar that came in just to add, more sweetness to the vibe. So I'm just gonna load in another instance of. Let me quickly save this. I'm gonna load another instance of Contact, and I'm just gonna go over to
show the capital business. Show the character dickiness. Can you wake?
So but I'm just gonna change it over to the muted because I think that guitar was a muted guitar. So yeah, something like this. Make sure I'm on key. So let's call this muted. Yeah. So I think that came around this section. So let me just go over to my. Yeah. All right. So I'm just gonna play that. So we have this.
Should be cap. Should be cap. Should be capital. Should be capital.
So it's just the same, the same chord, it's just breaking the chords down, but it's basically the same thing.
Should be capital business. Should be capital business. Should be capital business. Should be capital business. Should be character.
Yeah, but I think it's having some delay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna select everything and just shift it a little bit to the to the right.
Should be capital business. Should be character dickiness. Should be capital business.
So I'm just gonna go over to OY's pack. OY has some, none of his old packs. I think there's this talking drums. Yeah, the Afro Banger pack. So I have some. Yes, I'm just gonna use this because this is kind of close to the tempo of the song, which is 96. So I'm just gonna stretch this and just try to bring it. Let's listen from the top.
Sorry. Alla cori, alla coco. Show my fanny, show my lapa. Chimpat be wa, show my paco. She mo money problem, pelu boys. Papa jaka pada, asa no Canada. If I travel today, give my buy la baba. I'm a man, I'm a brother man. Oh, then you brought let baby show up all. What shiny di meeting call. Malaini, well I do my jet crew. You do a lay your money problem. Melanin, popping, baby, show the blah. That is subjective, you fit that. But it do need that on it. But we do that, we'll ever. Show the capital business. Show the character dickiness. Can you wake up and I'm for that? That's funny. Go by the leisure, guinea. Gimme, come up and meet you. Gimme, come up and meet you. Yap time me go. I say no, if he made me confirm. Oh yeah, can him up, corner up. Now one to one, now one run out. Oh yeah, very jet to them. I pick him up, don't you pity girl, yeah. I must say I don't find yeah. I'm a papa, say I'm a jaula. I tell Betty show up all. What shall it be making call? Well, I know my jet bro. You do a lay your money problem. Melanie, popping, Betty, he's your dying. Becky, subjective, you fit that. But it do need that on it. But we'll do that, we'll never. Show the capital business. Show the character dickiness. Can you wake up and I'm for that? That's funny. Go by the leisure, gimme. Guinea come up on me chicky, show her. Guinea come up on me chicky, show her. Oh, show her. Show her.
Yep, guys, so you can see how very easy it is to make. Like, this is very easy to make a guitar inspired Afrobeat. Just have some nice guitar plugins, some nice one shot, and guys, you can have access to this, you know, FLP. The link to join the Patreon is gonna be in the description of this video. Lots of amazing stuffs are going on, or is going on, you know, in the Patreon channel. So just join the link, and you know, you get FLPs, you get one shot, you get preset, and lots of amazing stuff. So if you have any questions from me, let me know in the comment section. If you have any suggestion, also let me know in the comment section, and I'm sure I'm gonna respond to every one of you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. You know, peace.